Okay, abracadabra. This is going to be part B of the video because I messed something up. So let's look at number one. Is that a function? Well, these are my x values, my domains, 4, 0, 1, 7. Do I have any duplicate x values, 4, 0, 1, 7? No, I don't. Every single one of these x values is paired with exactly one y value. So is this a function? Yes, it is a function. Let's go over here. I got 5, -1, 8, 4, and 3. Do I have any repeat x values here? 5, -1, 8, 4, and 3. Nope, I don't. Is this a function? Yes, it is a function. Let's go to number 3. -2, 6, 4, 6, 2. Wait a minute. Do you see that? They're repeating the sixes. And these sixes have two different y values. Uh-oh, is this a function? No, it's not. Let's go to the next one. 5, -2, -7, 1, 4, -7. Are there any repeat on the x values? Yes, right here. And notice they don't have the same y values. Is this a function? No, it's not. Let's go to the tables. Do you see any repeat x values? Yes, -5. Notice how they'd have different y values. Is this a function? No. If I graphed this one, or this one, or this one, I would have dots that are directly above or below each other, and that can't be a function. How about this one? Is this a function? Yeah, it is. Why? Why is it a function? It's a function because none of the x values are repeating, and therefore all of the x values are paired with exactly one y value. Now, some of you might notice, hey, wait a minute, Mr. Ponko, is it possible to say no since the y values are identical? And the answer to that is no. If I were to graph this and this on a coordinate plane, 7, -3 would be maybe right there, and -10, -3, that would be, whoa, I'd have to make the line go way out here, and it would be about right there. And you notice how these are not one on top of the other. And none of the other dots are above or below each other directly. So this is still definitely a yes in that area. How about this one right here? Do you see any duplicate x values? I do, here and here. So I'm going to say no to number 7. Can you see that? I hope you can. Yep, it's still on the screen, I think. How about this one? Any duplicate x values? Yes, 4 and 4. So I'm going to call this a definite no. That is not a function. Let's move the screen up a little bit so we can see the rest of this sheet. One moment, please. Okay, we got a word problem. Yay, word problems. Question 9. Is the relation a function? They're basically saying, look over here at this table and decide whether or not that's a function. Well, in the world of functions, this would be our x value and this would be our y value because, oh, wait a minute, no, let's back up. They want us to look at year and percent of man. I didn't read carefully enough. So look at year and percent of men. This is our x and this is our y. Are there any repeat x values? 80, 85, 90, 95, 2000. No repetition. So I'd say yes, that's a function. What's our explanation? Well, I'd say something like every x value is paired with exactly one y value, which is the definition that the book was talking about on that first page, right? Okay, next question says, describe how the percent of unemployed men is related to the year. Well, the years are going up, up, and up by fives, right? And the percentage of men that are employed starts at 77, and then it drops, and then it rises, and then it drops, and then it rises. I don't think there is a relationship between years and the percent of, I would say there is no relation. How about number 11? Is the relation of years to percent of women a function? So now we're comparing years, our x value, to women. This is going to be our y value. So we're looking at this set of data compared to this set of data. Is that a function? And once again, I would say yes. Why? Well, the same reason why I said yes up here. Yes, every x value is being paired with exactly one y value. There's no repetition of the years here. Okay? Now, describe how the percent of unemployed women is related to the year. Notice something here. This data is a little different. 51, 54, 57, 58, 67. It's always rising. As the years get bigger, the percent of women gets bigger. There is a relationship here. So we need to describe that. As the years get bigger, the percent of women gets bigger. Would be a pretty decent answer for that. As the years get bigger, the percent of women gets bigger. I didn't finish this one, but it's basically the same answer as this one up here. Every x value is blah, 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 blah. Okay. Hopefully, 8th graders, this helps you. Sorry about the two-parter, but I don't know what happened.